Hello everyone, welcome back to another US Storms and Sirens video. Anyways, hey guys, what's up? It's US Storms and Sirens here. Today we're getting some 30 or 35 mile per hour wind gusts in Frisco. Unfortunately, this is not from a cold front. The winds are coming from the southwest again. And now we are going to go under my cypress and hear it swish. You guys know my cypress swishing noises? Yeah, you guys probably know the swishing noises I've captured on this tree. Okay, let's see what we can capture with this audio. Let's see if we can hear it swish. Because it's been a while since I've made a video about it swishing. So we'll see what we can capture here. There it goes, it's going. Come on, give me something good. Whoa, what the heck was that? Well, there's a good one right there. I don't know if y'all heard that. It's kind of hard to hear with all the cars driving on the road. But I did hear it, though. I did hear it. I'm going to stand here for another minute or so to see what we can capture. Well, there y'all go. That was it. That was a very good one right there. All right, let's go out to the road. I actually heard those live oaks from here because that's how strong these winds are. See, you hear them? You hear them? I don't know if y'all can hear them because of this microphone, but it's because I'm recording on an iPhone. Let's go to these live oaks over here. Those birds are taking a ride. Those birds are taking a ride on those oak trees over there. That's funny. Yeah, I can actually hear those live oaks from here. The ones way down there. Gosh. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hear my cypress when I'm out in the road. Whoa, a big leaf just fell out. Look at the leaves going across the road. Okay, I'm gonna go to these live oaks over here so I can hear them swish, because y'all have kind of been requesting that. I don't know if I'm supposed to be going this far, but I want to come over here because I want to hear these live oaks. It's because I want to hear these live oaks. Ow, an acorn just fell on my head. Okay, I better go back to my yard now. Well, it is technically live oak shedding season, so. Oh my goodness. Okay, going back to my front yard. Yeah, those live oaks are going crazy back there. Let's go to these ones over here. The ones at my filming spot. Oh my gosh. Now that was a good one right there. That was a good swishing noise on it. All right, that was cool though. That was very cool. The wind is constant at like 17 miles per hour right now. That's the constant wind speed right now. Let's go back over here. Oh, I already hear those live oaks swishing again. Let's get one more swishing noise out of the cypress. We're gonna get one more swishing noise. Well, there it is again. That was a pretty short one. I'm still stopped up though. But oh my gosh, dude. Now that was loud. That was so freaking loud, dude. Dude, that was crazy. I never captured that before. I have never heard my cypress swish while I was at the side of the house. That is freaking nuts, bro. Holy cow. Yeah, see the leaves falling off the live oaks? Whoa, there's a tornado right there. And it's coming to eat my cypress. I'm just kidding, okay? Whoa, the trees are jerking everywhere. Kind of feels like a storm coming from the southwest. Yeah, the maximum gusts come like every minute or so. Yeah, like every minute or so, the maximum gust comes. The Bradford pear back there has not made any swishing noises. You guys are so lucky I was standing right there. The birds don't even know what the noise was. It was just the tree swishing. They probably didn't even know what it was. Let's go back to those live oaks again. Because they were swishing pretty loud while I was over there. Looks like someone pruned out a Bradford pear or something. Let's go to my Yopon Holly real quick before we go to the back. There's a leaf right here. We sit down right here. There's a bird sitting at the top of my cypress. There's literally a bird sitting up there. Guys, we're going back over there. I can hear them. Okay, no, we're not going back over there. We're not going back over there. We're not going back over there, okay? We're not going back. There's kids coming home from school right now because it's a Taco Tuesday. I haven't heard my oak tree swish in a while. So, yeah. Whoa! I can hear them still. Yeah, I can hear them. We're going back to the filming spot again. There y'all go again. That's the second time that I was on the side of the house and I heard the cypress swish. That's so weird. Well, there's something good for y'all. We'll go to the back in just a second. Just gonna capture any last second gusts. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go to the backyard, so I'll see y'all there. Okay, so this is the 1 millionth time we came to the back without dying. Okay. Let's see if we can hear the Bradford pear swish. I doubt we're gonna hear it, but we'll see. What the heck? It smells like milk out here. What the heck? I'm not kidding, it actually smells like milk. Can I hear the wind going through the fence? The wind is literally going through the fence. The heck is that banging, bro? I hear banging over there. I'm gonna go near the mulberry to hear it swish. I doubt we're gonna catch anything, but we'll see what we can get. Whoa! Did you guys hear that go through the fence? That is crazy. It sounded like a tornado for a second. Oh my goodness, Harriet, are you okay? Okay, I'm at the back door now. It's almost March, you guys. It is almost March. And that's when my birthday is. March. Well, today's actually February 17th. So. What you doing, Harriet? Oreo dog. Yeah, just so weird how everything stops. The wind is actually higher up in... The wind's actually kind of stronger up in the air than it is on the ground. I think that's what I think that's right. There's like tons of bugs over here. Harriet's paw is not doing good. She's tripping everywhere like an old lady. Okay, I'm gonna let her inside. Still haven't heard that Chinese today. I actually heard it once I first got in the backyard. Like, the first time. Whoa, the Bradford pear jerked. Whoa. Let's look to the left. Let's walk over here some. We'll stand right here. Still no strong gusts yet, but here, let's go to the vocoated area. That sounds kind of weird, but there's the beautiful sunset. Oh, there's a big gust coming, bro. I can feel a big gust coming. I heard some trees over there, so that means a big gust is coming. He's kind of... Going back to the porch. Whoa, there's a good gust. Still no gusts yet. I waited a few minutes and there's still no gusts. So that kind of sucks. Yeah. Still no wind gusts, but just tiny gusts in the backyard because there's barely any wind back here. Oh my goodness. Well guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here because I think the winds are starting to die down a little bit. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe and I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.